in circles, trying to hold my life together on my own. But every time I lose direction, your mercy pulls me back into your arms again. I feel you calling me deeper, to the place where my pride has to fall. So here I am with my hands wide open. Jesus, you can have it all. Take every fear, take every burden, take every weight I've been holding on. Holy One, I surrender. Every part of me is yours forever. Holy One, I surrender. Let your fire fall, let your glory enter. Holy One, I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I hear your voice in the whisper, calling me closer than I've ever known. You're breaking chains that I carry, lifting the heaviness from my soul. You are the God who restores me. You are the God who makes all things new. So take my heart, take my worship, let my life be an offering to you. Take every fear, take every burden, take every weight I've been holding on. Holy One, I surrender. Every part of me is yours forever. Holy One, I surrender. Let your fire fall, let your glory enter. Holy One, I surrender. I surrender. I give you everything. I give you everything. Nothing held back, nothing held back. Holy Spirit, come consume me. Holy Spirit, come renew